You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bug.
Alright guys, so another dyno video. The reason you get these videos is because things are slow down on my cars. Again, parts, they're not cheap. We have got to purchase to get things going on my cars. So here is another dyno, but this one is a CRX. I'm gonna get more information on it, go in the description. But hey, thank y'all for coming back, thank y'all for watching, and hope you enjoy.
Oh, the wideband. Yeah. Still recording. Through the door? Oh, I'm gonna stop it.
Alright guys, so this run we're gonna do a shot of NOS We're making bets on the horsepower, and they're not telling us what the shot is, so we just gotta, hey, guess it and see what comes out. First run was 146 at 600 RPMs, 6,000 RPM. So we're gonna see what we got now. We get y'all set up somewhere and get to doing something here. All right, last time the exhaust pipe blew off. The exhaust is going outside the shop, so we just some zip ties. Got enough clearance, so we're just gonna watch it. Make sure to pop out the sign, because last pull, this room got stink real quick. All right, guys, so second run was a no-go. We might have some going on in the valve, on the valve cover in the head. Hopefully it's not bad. We can get it back in here and do a run with the nuts. But hey, that's it for today. As always, thank y'all, and I'm just gonna keep them coming. Keep you guys entertained until I get my stuff on the road. All right, hey, thank y'all.